People don't think that you could have a loving relationship with a pig. He lives in the house, he sleeps in bed with me. I don't know what I would do without the reptiles. That
He tipped it up and peanut fell out. He's like, fuck that, chuck the rubbish.